Hello. We put together a short video to show safety measures that have been put in place at Gates of Harlow. Following the recent government changes, before coming to the showroom, please ensure that you have got your face mask on. When entering the showroom, please feel free to sanitise your hands, and for our service customers, take advantage of our self-service check. Whilst in the showroom, please follow the social distancing markings which are clearly placed on our showroom floor. For our service customers, please wait to be seen by one of our service advisors who will be behind a protective screen and also wearing a face mask. When exiting the showroom, please leave at one of 2 points, either at the middle of the showroom or at the far end of our showroom. When handing your car keys over, they will be sanitised by one of the service advisors. When your vehicles are in our workshop, our technicians will sanitise both before and after completing any work. Here at the exit, please feel free to sanitise for the final time. Thanks ever so much indeed for taking time to watch this video. We look forward to welcoming you at Gates of Harlow. Until then, stay safe.